Engrave.
To carve or cut designs into a hard surface. He engraved his initials on the wooden table. The jeweler engraved her name on the ring. Rupture. To break or burst suddenly. The pipe ruptured due to high pressure. He had a rupture in his tendon after the accident. Jiggle. To move something with quick, small movements. He jiggled the door handle to open it. The baby jiggled the toy happily. Swat. To hit something, especially an insect, with a quick motion. He swatted the fly with a newspaper. The child swatted the mosquito on his arm. Forge. To create or produce something, often with great effort. To fake. They forged a strong friendship over time. The criminal forged a signature on the document. Spot. To notice or see something. She spotted her friend in the crowd. He quickly spotted the mistake in the report. Speculate. To guess or form an opinion without all the facts. People speculated about the cause of the accident. She speculated that the project would be delayed. Exclaim. To speak suddenly and loudly out of surprise or emotion. She exclaimed, "Wow, this is amazing." She exclaimed in pain when she hurt her leg. Pry. To inquire too closely into someone's personal life. Don't pry into other people's business. He tried to pry open the box with a screwdriver. Chuck. To throw something casually. He chucked the ball across the yard. She chucked her old clothes into the donation box. Chuckle. To laugh quietly or softly. She chuckled at the funny joke. The kids chuckled while watching the cartoon. Donate. To give something, especially money, to help others. He donated money to the charity. She donated her old books to the library. Mumble. To speak quietly and unclearly. He mumbled something under his breath. The shy boy mumbled his name to the teacher. Serene. Calm and peaceful. The lake was serene in the early morning. She felt serene after meditation. Quibble. To argue about something unimportant. Stop quibbling over small details. They quibbled about where to eat dinner. Zest. Enthusiasm and energy. She performed her tasks with zest. He has a zest for life. Elated. Extremely happy and excited. She was elated to win the competition. He felt elated after hearing the good news. Fathom. To understand something deeply. I cannot fathom why he made that decision. She couldn't fathom the meaning of the poem. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.